How to swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then you can click on the swap option on the bottom of your screen, or the other ways you can simply head over to the discover section and then you can go with the Jupiter exchange or any other third party crypto exchange where you can do the swap of your tokens. Otherwise you can also use the inbuilt. Then you just need to click on the search icon and search for USDT. Now once you search for this, make sure to select your particular network from which you want to do the process. Let's say you want to go with the BNB smart chain, so you can simply select it, or if you have anything else in your mind you can simply search for it just like so. Now once you do so, in the receiving you just need to again make sure to select your particular network. Let's say you want to go with again Ethereum network, so simply search for it, and then next step is you need to choose your TRX, so search for it just like so and then go for it. After that you just need to enter the amount how much you want to go with. Then make sure to read this, which is going to give you an estimate rate, so make sure to click on the confirm before the scroll finish, and make sure to also adjust the slippage settings accordingly and make sure to confirm the transaction. So that's the way of how you can swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet.